Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to change billing cycle on Hostgator. The first thing you will need to do is go onto portal.hostgator.com. Once on this dashboard, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option and you are going to tap on hosting. After tapping on hosting, you are going to see all of the packages that you currently have. Then you are going to tap on manage. Once you have tapped on manage, you will be redirected to this page. And all you'll need to do at the top right here, I want you to tap on billing. After you have tapped on billing, from there you will see the billing cycle. So you can see the 12-month billing cycle and you can see the price right there and when it renews. All you'll need to do now to change it, you'll simply tap on change cycle. Then from there you can choose the cycle that you want. So you can select cycle. Then from there you can select the cycle that you'd like to change it to. Then you can tap on save changes. And you can see that these changes won't go into effect until your next renewal on the 2024 the 7th. So you can see right there. Also, if you would like to cancel the package, you can by simply tapping on cancel package if you would like to cancel the hosting so it won't auto renew. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.